Hey, what's up guys? Austin from Skylight Junction, and today in this video the mailman has literally just arrived to drop off this. It's a very big package. It's an engine here that I've wanted for a pretty long time, although it's not the engine that's preserved, unfortunately. This is a different cab number, but oh well, it's still the same engine nonetheless. So anyways, let's get to the unboxing of this thing, shall we? Let's do it. So I'm not sure how well this will fit, but I will try my best. Move the camera back slightly. Okay, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. This is pretty humongous. Tell me this is one of those boxes that have that sticky stuff to it, so keep it even more protected. Bring it down slightly. Alright, hopefully you guys can see it better. God, this is tough. Alright, just about got it. It's in here. What in the hell is this? That's bubble wrap. I think I've seen bubble wrap in blue before. But, oh well. Alright, ooh, this thing is heavy. There's no paper working here, so that's good. As you can guess, this is Rivarossi, and my god, this thing feels heavy. I think this might be the heaviest Rivarossi engine I own to date. There's a product number. It's an FEF. Ooh. Fascinating. Okay. There's some paperwork, etc., etc. And here's some I haven't seen before by Rivarossi. It's a warranty thing, but yeah, this thing's already expired. So yeah, let's see what's on the bottom here. Is it the engine or tender? It is a tender, and it looks like it is my first ever Union Pacific locomotive, or let alone Centipede tender. There we go. Man, look how big this thing is. It might need a little bit of dusting off, but yeah, this thing's just massive. Yeah. Alright, so there's 5 wheels here plus 2. So that makes it 7 wheels on each side, so 14 wheels in total. Pretty huge tender. Alright, let's put that there. And there she is. My god. Careful. Please be careful. There we go. Guys, this thing is just incredible. I love this red light up here. That is so cool. Alright, the bell even swings on. I am not going to do much to that, just in case. But yeah, and this thing is very heavy. This is... God, I don't know the weight to this, but God, this is so heavy. I mean, I am used to heavy engines, but Rivarossi engines, I am not used to having them. I'm not used to them having more weight. Jesus Christ, this thing is heavy. I think this is like my first ever Northern type by Rivarossi too. I don't think I own any more Northern types that are by Rivarossi. But this is so cool. I have to admit, this thing is just awesome. Man, I did hear this thing does take 22-inch radius curves. I think that's the minimum that I can take. Although I think this thing might barely even be happy on it, but I'll have to see. But yeah, this thing is just huge. I'll have to put this down. My arm is literally getting tired from handling this thing. God, that thing's heavy. Alright, time to put this engine on the track. Jesus. That tender's huge. I don't know why I keep thinking it's, you know, the biggest thing I own, even though it probably isn't. Although they have a couple things that are probably bigger than this. But yeah, let me couple tender up. There we go. Man, this thing is just massive. Alright. Controller is on. Let's see if you will move. I think you might need a break-in, won't you? Yeah, I think it just needs a break-in. I mean, it does work, but yeah. Oops. Yeah, disconnected. Well, I got her up and running. She's running in the opposite direction. Maybe because, I don't know. I don't even know if it's used to going in the other. I don't know why I said that. It sounded pretty dumb. But it did need a little break-in. It's just, I think it might be all it just needed. She's running pretty good. She may not be 100% happy on 22-inch curves, but hopefully when I build a layout, I'll see if I can invest in a little bit wider curves, maybe put in some flush shot if I can. I did also clean this section of the line, just in case if it was causing a little bit of a problem, but I don't think it was that much of a big deal. But yeah, she's up and running, and I have to say, I'm very happy with it. And I'm proud to say I'm very happy to own a Union Pacific locomotive, the FEF-3. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm really enjoying this. I really am. Alright, come back one more time. Alright, let's get some running shots in this monster. Alright, come on now, let's see it haul a train. I think I put like maybe 6 cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, okay, 7 on it plus the caboose. I only did that because I really don't want to overload this thing. I know this thing might be powerful, will pull a little bit more, but I don't know how old this thing is. I don't know when was the last time it ran. I don't know when was the last time it's been oiled. So it may need some oil. I don't really know that much, but other than that, it is still a good runner. I do love this thing a lot. I'm really happy with it. So, yeah, and we'll get a few more running shots, maybe a few more close-ups. So, cue to montage. unboxing of the FEF-3 by Union Pacific or Rivarossi. I absolutely love this engine a lot. It's definitely going to be a welcome addition to the collection. I finally can't be happy to own a Union Pacific locomotive. Hopefully, eventually, I will love to get the Challenger. That one's pretty expensive to get. I also love to get the big boy. That one's even more expensive, but hopefully I'll at least get one of those engines one day. So that'll be just about it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.